Division algorithm is for two polynomials p of x and g of x, g of x not equal to 0, then we can find a polynomials q of x as quotient and r of x as a remainder. Then we can write the relation between these four as p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, and this is called the division algorithm for polynomials. Okay, so this is one question. Find all the zeros of this fourth degree polynomial. 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cubed minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. If you know that two of its zeros are minus root 2 and minus root 2. Okay, a fourth degree polynomial is given and also two of its zeros are given. Maximum how many zeros are possible for a fourth degree polynomial?
4.
4. And our question is find all the zeros. All the zeros mean there can be two more zeros. Two zeros are directly given. There can be two more zeros. So we want to find. Okay. So we will do this question. Okay. Find all the zeros of 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cubed minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Two zeros are given. Okay. So given two zeros. So as you know the factor theorem. So if root 2 is a 0, we can give name p of x for the polynomial. If root 2 is a 0, we know that x minus root 2 is a factor. If root 2 is a 0, we know that x minus root 2 is a factor. And also, if minus root 2 is a 0, x minus minus root 2 will be a factor. So that means x plus root 2 is a factor. Okay, so these two are two factors of this given polynomial. Then their product will be also again a factor. We give name for this as p of x. So p of x we can write as this polynomial. So I give name for simplify the steps. Okay, so p of x we can write as x minus root 2 into x plus root 2. This will be a factor of p of x. So there will be one more polynomial we want to find out. That will be a second degree because the degree of the given polynomial is fourth degree. So if you multiply these two, the degree of
x square minus
the degree of these two will be a second degree. So there will be one more polynomial g of x. If you multiply these two, then only you will get a p of x. We found that x minus root 2 is a 0, x minus root 2 is a factor, and x plus root 2 is a factor. Then their product will be again a factor. If you multiply this, you will not get p of x. There will be some more quantity. Another polynomial will be there. Okay. So this x minus root 2 into x plus root 2, how can we write? X minus root 2 into x plus root 2. There is an identity, right? X minus root 2 into x plus root 2.
X square
X
plus
square
y
minus
square.
minus b
square minus b
Yes,
square.
x square minus root 2 square. What is root 2 square?
Root 2.
Root 2 square.
2.
So x square minus 2 into a second degree polynomial. And to get this second degree polynomial, you just divide p of x by this x square minus 2. So you can move x square minus 2 into left side. So you divide p of x by x square minus 2. So p of x is given here 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cubed minus 3x square, then plus 6x minus 2. You divide this polynomial with x square minus 2. You will get a second degree polynomial. Okay. So how can we divide this? Can we divide? What will be the first term?
2x square.
2x square will be the first term. 2x square into x square is 2x raised to 4. Then 2x square into minus 2. What will be 2x square into minus 2?
Minus 4x square.
Minus 4x minus 4. Is that correct? Any mistake?
Yes.
Okay. So here the problem is here for the divisor there is no x term. So we want to assume that the divisor like this, the x square term we can choose as 0. Okay, so divisor you have to write like this. That should be in your mind. The divisor you can write like this: x square minus or plus 0x minus 2, like this. Okay, so the middle term will be 2x square into 0 into 0x. Here it will be 0. But then 2x square into minus 2. 2x square into minus 2 is minus 4x square. Minus 4x square. Now you draw the line, then subtract. What will be the next step? Minus 3x cube will be here, and minus 3x square minus 4x
Plus 1x square.
plus x square. Then 6x you write down, also minus 2 write down. Now which will be the next term?
Minus 3x.
Minus 3x. So minus 3x into x square will be minus 3x cube. Okay. Then minus 3x into 0. 0x means 0. So minus 3x into 0 is 0. So plus 0. Then plus minus 3x into minus 2. Minus 3x into minus 2, what will be?
Minus 6x. Plus 6x.
Plus 6x plus 6x. Then minus 3x into minus 2.
Minus 6.
Okay, we finished. Okay, and next line, yes, subtract, and x square minus 0 is x square. Then 6x minus 6x is 6x minus 6x is
0.
0. Then minus 2 is here. So we need one more step, right? So add plus how many? What will be the third term here?
1.
1.
It's plus 1. So 1 into x square is x square. Then 1 into 0x is 0x. Then 1 into minus 2. 1 into minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Okay. Now subtract. Subtract what will be?
0.
Okay. So we got the value of g of x as 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Okay. So this p of x will become like this. P of x is equal to x minus root 2 into x plus root 2 into, in place of g of x you can write this quotient. Okay. Okay, so you can write it 2x. Okay. So here we wrote that p of x is equal to x minus root 2 into x plus root 2 into a second degree quadratic polynomial. Okay. So now you can split this second degree polynomial, right? So we have studied how to split, how to factorize a second degree polynomial and how to find the zeros of the second degree polynomial. Okay. So you know that 100 you can write as 50 into 2. Okay, so all the factors of 50 will be again a factor of 100. Similarly, 2 zeros we already got. Now the zeros of the second degree polynomial will be again a 0 of p of x. P of x is a fourth degree polynomial. Okay. Now it's your duty to find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. Those two will be the other two zeros of this fourth degree polynomial. You know how to split the middle term and factorize this, then to find the zero.
We have g of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 1. So to find the zeros of this second degree polynomial, we can split the middle term like this: 2x square minus 2x minus x, so that their product, minus 2x into minus x, we will get the product of the constant term into x square term, right? And the sum of the new terms, minus 2x and minus x, will be same as the minus 3x, the x term. So such a way you want to split the middle term, and the last term here plus 1 is there. Now we can take something common outside. So from the first two terms you can take a 2x outside. So inside the bracket you will get x minus 1, and from the next two terms, to make equal terms inside the bracket, you simply take minus outside. Minus means minus 1. So inside the bracket it will be x minus 1. Okay. In the next step, you take x minus 1 common outside. So x minus 1 into, inside the bracket you will get a 2x minus 1. We know the zeros of g of x are the values of x when g of x is equal to 0. So this implies either x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So that is x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1 you take to right side, so that will come 1, and into 2 you move to right side, you will get by 2. So the zeros of g of x are 1 or 1 by 2. Okay, so we got all the zeros of the given polynomial p of x. So just give a conclusion. Zeros of p of x are root 2 comma minus root 2. These two are given, and now we got two more, 1 and 1 by 2.